Good morning students. Today's topic is decoder. So decoder means first of all we have to transfer one information from the source to destination. So here our information is BSC. Now we have to transfer the BSC information from the source X to destination Y without entry the third person. So we have to provide security for this information. So to provide security of this information, we have to change the original information to duplicate information. Okay, so duplicate information means the total original information can be converted into other language or coding language. So to change the information from original to duplicate, we are using the encoding. So the encoding process can be discussed in further class. Now we have to discuss the decoder topic. So decoder means the original information getting from the duplicate information, means changing from encoding to original coding is decoder. Decoding, so decoding means again coding. So here the decoding process is used to provide the security for original information. Okay, so we have different types of decoders. The total decoder can be explained in the simple formula, that is n to 2 power n. So n to 2 power n means here n is the input lines, 2 power n are the output lines. So here n also input. For example, n equals to 2 means n to 2 power n. So here n is 2. So 2 to 2 power 2 means 2 power 4 type of decoder. For example, n is 3, 3 to 8 decoder. For example, n is 4, 2 power 4, 16 decoder. So we can differentiate to different types of decoders like 2 to 2 power n. So the total decoders are 2 to 4 decoder, 3 to 8 decoder and 14 to 16 decoder. Okay. So in this class we have explained the 3 to 8 decoder. Okay. 2 to 4 decoder, 3 to 8, 4 to 16. Total decoders are same process. Only the inputs are changing and according to the inputs output also changed. Okay. So coming to 3 to 8 decoder, here the three inputs are represented by B0, B1, B2. So these three are the inputs. Coming to the output, according to formula n to 2 power n, here n equals to 3. So output lines are 8. The 8 outputs are represented by D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. Okay. So now we have to draw the simple truth table for this decoder diagram. So now we have to represent first of all inputs. B0, B1, B2 are three different inputs. According to the possibilities, if inputs are 3, we have 2 power n possibilities. So 2 power n possibilities means for 3 inputs total 8 possibilities are required. Okay. So the 8 possibilities are according to the code 4 to 1. According to the code 4 to 1. So 0, 0, 0. 0 represented by all zeros. In the place of 4, in the place of 2, in the place of 1. So all zeros. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total 7 possibilities. So representation of different numbers by the coding already discussed in the previous class. Okay. So the total inputs are 8 inputs by using the 3 possibilities, that is B0, B1, B2. Okay. Coming to the output. So outputs are D0, D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. So here first condition, that is the all zeros condition. All zeros condition, we have observed the output high, that is 1. High means 1 at the D0. So first condition D0 gives the output. In second condition means 0, 0, 1 condition, D0 is D1 is the output. Means in 0, 0 condition only D0 is 1. In remaining all outputs are 0. Okay. Next condition 0 0 1 condition. In this condition D naught is only 1, remaining all outputs are 0. Next third condition 0 1 0, D naught is the output, remaining all are 0. Similarly D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. Okay, only the particular 0 0 condition D naught is 1, remaining all cases D naught is 0. Similarly 0 0 1 condition D naught is 1, remaining all cases 0. So 0 1 0 condition D2 is 1, remaining all cases 0. Okay, this is the truth table for 3 to 8 decoder. Now we have to draw the logic circuit for the decoder. Okay, for that we have to first of all represent the D0, D2, D2, D3 up to D7 outputs by using the inputs. Okay, so first of all D0 is 1 when B0, B1, B2 are zeros, means D0 output can be generated when B0, B1, B2 are zeros, means represented by B0 bar, B1 bar, B2 bar. Okay, next coming to D1. So D1 is output when B0 is 1. So B0 is 1 means B0 high. B1 is 0, B2 also 0. So B1 bar, B2 bar. Okay. So for this D0 is B2 bar, B1 bar, B0 bar. D1, B0, B1 bar, B2 bar. So the representation is by using the possibilities. First D0 means all zeros. Okay. Next D1 means 0, 0, 1. So 0, 0, 1 means B2, B1, B0. So B2 bar, B1 bar, B0. Next D2 0 1 0 condition. So 0 1 0 condition means B2 bar, B1, B0 bar. Next D3 means 0 1 1. So 0 1 1 means B0, B2 bar, B1, B2. So similarly remaining outputs are represented by inputs B0, B1, B2. So by using these inputs and outputs we have to draw the logic diagram. Okay. So first of all each and every input having the two possibilities, that is the 0 possibility and 1 possibility. So the 1 possibility is represented by direct line, the 0 possibility represented by connecting NOT gate to the input. So here direct line represents B2, NOT gate represents B2 bar. So here direct line represents B1, NOT gate represents B1 bar. Next direct line represents B0, NOT gate represents B0 bar. First D0, we know that D0 equals to B2 bar, B1 bar, B0 bar. So three different inputs are combined by using the AND gate, because each and every input combined by the dot or product format. So the three inputs are connected to AND gate. So first B2 bar, B1 bar, B0 bar connected to AND gate. So one input, that is D0. Next coming to D1 condition. So D1 condition 0 0 1 condition. So 0 0 1 condition means B2 bar, B1 bar and B0. So D1. So similarly all outputs are connected by using the three inputs B0, B1, B2 according to the possibilities. Okay. So here we can observe three inputs B0, B1, B2, but outputs are 8 outputs. So here the decoder convert the n inputs, that is 3 inputs are converted into 8 outputs. So by using the formula n to 2 power n. So in this same process can be applied to 4 to 16 to decoder. So 4 to 16 decoder means 4 inputs, 16 possibilities. So 16 possibilities means 16 outputs. So 4 inputs are B0, B1, B2, B3. 16 possibilities means D0, D1, D2 up to D15. Okay. So total 16 gates are or 16 outputs are observed in 4 to 16 decoder. So here block diagram also changed. 4 inputs B0, B1, B2, B3 and 16 outputs. So here truth table also changed. So 16 possibilities means B0, B1, B2, B3. 4 inputs, 16 possibilities. Here 16 outputs. Okay. Thank you.